All right, we're going to work with the area model of multiplication again, except now we're going to use a larger number. Now remember, the first step is we're going to look at the math problem. We have 843 times 9. These are our two factors. We're going to break the multi-digit, the number with more than one digit, up into its place value. So 843 has 800 plus 40 plus 3. We're going to leave the single digit number alone, and we're going to make a large rectangle to show our multiplication. Because 843 has 3 digits, we're going to break the rectangle into 3 parts. We're going to take the 9, the single digit number, and put it on the left. Then we're going to take each part of the place value up from 843 down below. We're going to bring the 3 all the way to the right, the 40, the 4 tens, in the middle, and we're going to bring the 800 down on the left. Now again, we're going to multiply this like a grid. So 9 is going to multiply by each one of these values going across. And then we're going to bring down the value from above. So we're going to bring down the 3 here in the ones box, and we're going to multiply. 9 times 3 equals 27. Again, in the tens box, we're going to do 9 times 40. Now we're going to use our basic facts. This is really saying 9 times 4 tens. So 9 times 4 is 36. But because this is 4D and not just 4, the number is going to be 10 times greater. So we're going to take that 0 and put it to annex it to the end of that 36. Just tag it right at the end. So we have 9 times 40 is 360. And finally, we're up in the 100 spot. And here we have 9 times 800. And again, we're going to use a place value, and we're going to use our basic facts. 9 times 8 is 72. But this is not just 9 times 8. This is 9 times 800. So this is going to be not just 72, but 7200. We're going to bring those 2 zeros right down below. Now we have each one of these. We're going to check our math. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. But we have that 10 there, so it's 9 times 40 is 360. And then we have 9 times 8 is 72. But again, we have 9 times 800, so it's actually 7200. Those 2 zeros are at the end. So these are our partial products, and we're going to add the partial products up to get the full product. So we're going to start by taking our multiplication of the one side. We're going to write 27 here, lining up the ones under the ones and the tens under the tens. Then we're going to take the next box here, 360. I like to line them up carefully so when I add at the end, everything is nice and neat and in rows. If you need to, you can always draw lines down there to separate each one. And finally, we have 7,200. So I'm going to write this out. And again, I can add another line here. And we're going to add all those partial products together. So I have 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 tens plus 6 tens is 8 tens, 80, right? 300 plus 200 is 500. And then bring down the 7,000. So the full product here, the total product of this is 7,587. All right, so this is just one more example of the area model of multiplication. using larger numbers.